In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a layered vector layout in Chrome using the Lottie Files plugin. To get started, make sure your browser tab in Chrome is open and that your layered vector group layout frame is already visible and selected. This part is important because the plugin needs to know exactly which frame or grouped layout you want to work with before you begin animating. If the wrong element is selected, your animation settings may apply somewhere else. So it is always worth taking a second to confirm that the correct vector group is active. Once your layout frame is selected, the next step is to find and open the Lottie Files plugin. Go to your active plugins drawer and look through the list until you see Lottie Files. When you find it, launch it directly from there. If you have several plugins installed, this can save time compared to searching elsewhere, and it helps keep your workflow smooth and focused inside the same working session. After opening the plugin, give it a moment to load fully so all animation controls are available and responsive. With the plugin open, you can move into the animator panel, which is where the actual motion setup happens. This is the stage where you configure your timing speeds and keyframe actions. Start by adjusting the timing so the animation matches the pace you want. Slower timing can make movement feel more elegant or deliberate, while faster timing can create a more energetic result. The best choice depends on the style of the vector layout and how you want the final motion to feel when played back. After that, set up the keyframe actions inside the animator panel. Keyframes define how your elements behave over time, so this is where you shape the motion from one point to the next. As you apply these actions, try to think about the beginning, the transition, and the ending of the movement. Even simple changes in timing and keyframe placement can have a big effect on how polished the animation feels. As a general tip, make small adjustments first rather than making extreme changes right away. That makes it easier to preview the movement, understand what each setting is doing, and refine the result without losing control of the animation. If something feels off, go back and tweak the timing speeds or keyframe actions until the motion looks balanced and natural. Once those settings are in place, your layered vector layout is ready to be animated through the Lottie Files workflow. That's the full process. And with a little fine-tuning in the animator panel, you can create clean, professional motion quickly and efficiently.